Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite TV shows, The Good Doctor. It's a medical drama that you can watch on the internet. The show is about a young doctor named Sean Murphy who has autism and works at a big hospital. In this show, you can see many different jobs: doctors, nurses, surgeons, and hospital managers. They all have to work long hours and sometimes they have to make difficult decisions to save people's lives. It's a very stressful job and they might get tired or feel anxious because of the pressure. I really enjoy this show because it's not only about medicine, it's also about emotions, teamwork, and acceptance. By the way, I think Shaw is an amazing character because he shows that people with different abilities can do great things if others believe in them. This show connects to my life because I also believe that everyone deserves an opportunity to show their talent, no matter what. Anyway, I think people can learn many things from The Good Doctor. We can learn to be more patient, more understanding, and to never give up on our dreams. In the next season, I think Sean will face new challenge and maybe become a better doctor. That's why The Good Doctor is one of my favorite shows. Thank you for listening.